Hi everyone, welcome to sq.cm classes. Today in this video we have to draw a square of area 4.1 square centimeter by using compass. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here a line of any length. So first, drawing here a line and taking here point P and here X. Now taking the length 4.1 centimeter on the line PX. So this is 4.1 centimeter and taking here point A and again taking 1 centimeter line from the point A. So this is 1 centimeter and taking here point Q. Now we have to bisect the line PQ. So putting the compass on the point Q and taking greater than half of PQ and drawing an arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a 2 point. Now first joining this line and which meet the line PX at a point O. Now taking here point O. Next taking the length OP and OQ by using compass. So taking the length first, then we have to draw here a semicircle through the point P and Q. Now we have to draw a 90-degree angle on the point A. So putting the compass on the point A and taking any length and drawing an arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and putting the compass here and cut here and drawing an arc here again with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now first joining this line and which meet the semicircle at a point. So taking here point D. Now joining O and D and which is the radius of the semicircle. Now from right angle triangle OAD, OD equal to hypotenuse, OA equal to base and AD equal to height, and the value of AD equal to root 4.1 centimeter. If you don't know how to find out the value of root 4.1, then please watch my video which is given in the channel. Now taking the length AD and cut here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and putting the compass here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now taking here point B and here C. Now first joining B and C first, then joining C and D. So the length DC equal to root 4.1 centimeter and this is also root 4.1 centimeter. This is also root 4.1 centimeter and this side also root 4.1 centimeter. So therefore ABCD, so ABCD is a square of each side root 4.1 centimeter and the area of the square equal to root 4.1 into root 4.1 equal to 4.1 square centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share.